Hello, everyone. Restaurant partners, welcome to our menu management webinar advanced today on what's on the menu. While we wait for a few other vendors to join our webinar today, please also scan the QR code on the bottom left corner to visit the restaurant portal. Okay, again, thank you very much for joining our webinar today. We'll be talking on menu management, what's on the menu. Let's jump straight to the webinar. So before we begin, if you have any feedback, there's a short survey that will be sent to you at the end of the session. And if you have a question, you may submit it in the chat. And if you're interested in learning more, you may head over to university for more tips and tricks. So today we'll be talking about the need for visuals and branding, good combo, keeping your menu fresh, and request status checked. So what's the need for visual presentation and branding? So did you know visual presentation has helped partners increase their orders, value, and sales volumes by 10%? And dish photos can increase sales of an item by 4.5 times, and descriptions help your vendors, your customers' appetite and create a picture in their mind. And of course, here being accurate will help you manage customers' expectation, leading to a better customer experience. So here you may give customers a realistic idea of what they're getting, portion size and visuals, leading to happy and satisfied customers. Some tips and tricks here is on adding photos efficiently. You need to plan well, name your photos, and prepare your photos before the upload. From this to this. So on the photo guidelines for dish photos, there are certain photo dimensions and sizes that you may find here. For the photo orientation, it should be on landscape. Number of dishes in a photo per dish should be 1. The recommended angles are 45 degrees or 90 degrees, which is the top view. For composition, we suggest that you fill at least 80% of the frame with this position in the middle. And of course, the background should be plain and simple. And the requirements for listing and banner photos are slightly different. So there are a slight difference in photo dimensions and sizes. And photo orientation should also be in landscape. Number of dishes should be 1 or more to showcase what your signature dishes are. The recommended angle is a top view at 90 degrees. And for composition, again, to fill at least 80% of the frame. And background, similar as well, to have a plain and simple background. And for the composition and the angle, we suggest that based on the composition, you may have a different view. For example, 0 degrees of front view to see a full spectrum of the ingredients of the dishes. So for example, burgers, sandwiches, other vertical dishes would be good. Otherwise, the default should always be at 45 degrees. So that's imagining how a real-life customer would be seeing the dish. And of course, a top view for specific dishes, such as pizza, would showcase more of the ingredients. And for styling, you should garnish it carefully. There should not be any extra dishes. Keep it clean and stay sustainable. And on styling as well, try to make it match on the match the item name as well. Show as much as what you have in the item. Try to have more comparison colors and right surface, and of course start from the middle to have a better feeling for customers. So, however, if you do need help with your dish photos, we got you covered. You may ask us for photo shoots as well, which we'll cover in a minute. And to spice up your menu with listing and banner photos, on Restaurant Portal, toggle to Menu Management, select Photos from the left side bar. To upload a photo, click on the gray box, click upload and select your photo from your device. Crop the photo with the dishes positioned in the middle and click save photo, then you're good. So as mentioned, for these photos, we do supply photo shoot services. You may book here with this QR code. And average time from booking to end product is about 10 to 12 days. So we're here at descriptions. So descriptions matter. I help pick their interests, manage expectations, and upsell with add-ons. So we treat it as a type of storytelling. For the descriptions, go to Restaurant Portal and toggle to Menu Management. Click on an existing item in your menu, scroll to Item Description, add your item description, and once done, you may click Save. So here are some tips and tricks on writing descriptions. You may include cooking methods such as steamed, grilled, fried, or include some main ingredients such as whole sea bass, king prawn, Norwegian, salmon, etc., or include some extras into it, combo meals, or some flavor notes such as describing your dish. It's smoky, it's floury, rich. These would be good ideas as well. So here, let's come to a quick quiz time. Dish photo can only be in landscape. Is it true or false? The answer is true. Both dish and listing photos should always be in landscape mode. Listing and banner photos need to stay the same. Is it true or false? Okay, the answer is false. You may change listing and banner photos for different occasions. You can't have props in banner or listing photos. Is that true or false? The answer is false. Props are allowed for banner and listing photos as long as they complement the dishes. So let's look at how to make a good combo. Why do we make combo deals? Because it may upsell, it's a good opportunity to boost your revenue. It also helps your customers to customize their order and in order to increase average order value as well. So while creating combo deals and promotions, you may have different combination varieties, widening your customer selections. Pro tip is that you may include most common combos you get in your physical store. And for add-ons and toppings, you may include these to increase the minimum spend of a customer. And again, to recommend, add-ons should complement the meal and not exceed the price of the main dish. So how do we create a choice group? Let me look at a quick video on this.
In menu groups on the left sidebar. To create a choice group, select Create Choice Group. Input the details of the choice group in primary and secondary language, if applicable. Select the should choose. If the choice is optional, 0. If the choice is mandatory, select 1. The maximum number refers to the largest number of options customers can choose. Once you are done filling in your choices. To add choices in choice group, select Add a choice. Input the choice name in primary and secondary language, if applicable. Select from the drop-down list based on your existing choices from other choice groups. If required, input price for the new choice group, or else leave it as select this icon. After adding in your choices, update the maximum number of choices according to your preference. Once done, save. You will be prompted to submit a clear photo of your menu. The menu photo must include the price of the item. As the most successful menus reflect dine-in pricing, your request may be rejected if it does not match the prices on your dine-in menu photo. You may choose to reuse previously uploaded menu photos or simply submit new menu photos. your menu page. You can either add a choice group while creating a new item or add it to an existing item. To add a choice group to your existing item, select the desired item. Scroll down to the choice groups section. Check the box to select or unselect the choice group. Green tick indicates that the choice group selected applies to the item. Once done, click Edit Choice Groups and Choices. Under Choice Groups, select the choice group you wish to edit. Take your choice group details, choice names, and prices. Once done, save. You will be asked to submit a photo of your dine-in menu. Kindly refer to the previous section on Add Choices for more details. To manage choice groups availability, select your desired choice group. Choices, click on the status to toggle the choice availability. Once done, save. How to sort choice groups and choices. Under Choice Groups, select and hold this symbol on the left of your desired choice group. Drag it up or down to your desired position and let go. To sort your choices, select your desired choice group. The choices, select and hold this symbol on the left of your desired choice. Drag it up or down to your desired position. Once done, let go and save. Choice groups, select your desired choice group. Scroll all the way down and select Delete. Deleted choice groups cannot be retrieved, and you will lose all choice group data. To confirm, click on Delete.
Okay, cool.
In menu management, choice group.
So we just covered these points as well. Okay, cool. Let's look at how to keep your menu fresh. So one of the points is you may include seasonal menus to create interest, drive order volume, and retain customer base. And tips and tricks is to plan ahead, give yourself plenty of time to prepare your menu in advance and stay as early as you can. Keep previous seasonal categories and place seasonal items first on the menu. So another pro tip is considering changing up the banner photos to attract customers to click on your restaurant when you're doing your seasonal menus. Last thing, to check your request statuses. You may find these under menu management. Click on the item to view request status on the left sidebar, and you'll be able to see the rejected, pending, and approved request. If it's approved, your changes are already live and are reflected on Foodpanda already. If it's pending, your requests are being reviewed by the Foodpanda team. And at last, if it's rejected, you will need to improve your submission so that you're more likely to get approved next time. Here, please note that a rejection reason will be provided to help you understand and make the necessary changes. And do you know you can receive email notifications on your request by going to Restaurant Portal, toggle to Menu Management, go to Email Notifications tab, and turn on your email notifications. So hopefully next time we'll be able to add, we talked about seasonal menus and the need for visuals and branding, make a good combo, and request status checked. If you have questions, please scan the QR code to send it to us, and we're here to help. And last but not least, there are some useful links to a restaurant portal, university guides, and some university YouTube videos to help you walk through any of your questions as well. Thank you very much. And again, thank you for joining our webinar today. Hopefully, we'll be able to have more webinars coming out and see you in the next webinar. Thank you.